Over the last couple of months, I've been making lots of assets for my upcoming game projects, and I've recorded and streamed everything. In this video, I'll be using the asset library that I've created to create this animation. If you're interested in all of the assets I've used, I'll leave a link in the description. If you want to learn how to create environmental assets using images, I've already made a video for that one. I'm gonna leave a link on the description, or you can check it up here. For the car, I use a plugin called Car add-on. It's easy to use and it's also free. For the environment, I've used a scan that I've scanned using an app called Query Engine. I've already created a video on how you can use the app using your mobile phone. I'll leave a link on the description. After importing my scan, I use the sculpt tool brushes to smooth the places where I want the animation to take place. Also, I use a cube as my animation reference so that I don't get any problems when applying my assets into the scene. I added a follow path and snapped my cube into it using a follow path constraint, and then I tweak some options on my follow path constraints to fit my expertise. I place my path into the scene and change how my path looks and animated it. Also, I took time to place my cameras into the scene and did some transitions into multiple cameras. All that done, I imported my assets that I've created earlier, and I parented my car into the cube since my cube is being animated along the path. That's it for today's video, guys. I highly appreciate your time. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. If you have questions related to the software, let me know in the comments. But if I did good, you know what to do. Thanks for watching.